guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm actually making a video. Yeah. And today we're going to be doing a blue and a green makeup tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so we got my clips in, and now the first thing that I do, at least, is my primer that I use every video almost. It's the Inglot Durolane, I don't even know, just like primer from my other videos. And so we're going to dip it, keep squeezing the top, and we got a good amount. And sometimes we don't even have to squeeze it because it just comes out, because like this, but it doesn't come out, but like there's like excess because you're dipping it in the liquid, so you know. So I put it on my cheeks, my nose, forehead, my chin, and then I just swipe it right on my upper lip. Nope. Yeah, you saw what I was doing. And now I'm just gonna rub it with my hands. So yeah. I also was recommended to do these colors by my friend, and so yeah, doing it. And I did it actually yesterday to see how it looks, and it actually looked pretty good, so yeah. Okay. So now we're going to be, oh yeah, I got two new foundations a while ago, but I don't think I've put it in one of my videos yet. I might have, but I doubt it. So I'm gonna be using my CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk foundation, nourishing foundation. You can't forget about that. And this is the color 530. And it's just a really nice coverage. It's a little bit lighter than my skin, but it's better than like 2 times darker than my skin, like my other foundations. So, and the way I actually do this is put it on my face. I forgot to get my brush. We're gonna get my brush because we use my brush sometimes because I just like it more. But we're going to do that. Okay, now we gotta like hurry up because it like drips not fast, but like it could, I feel like. Also just like doing it. Look, I'm definitely have to blend it. I'm probably gonna use a bit of my beauty blender, so I got it. But yeah. I'm also using a tray because I got these trays, like I think I used it in my other videos. I don't think I showed you though. But I actually got these from Dollar Tree not a long time ago, but like when I like started my makeup on my desk, we went to Dollar Tree to get something. Oh yeah, it was on near my birthday. I went to Dollar Tree and I got these stuff because to organize my desk, and they only could fit my bottom drawer and not my top drawer, so that was kind of a bummer. And so I just put this under when my like 2 of my tiny ones, and sometimes I use it for my makeup. Well, I use it like twice. It's like my second time. So, jeez, I talk a lot. I'm sorry. I might even have to do a part 2 because I always do part 2s because I talk too much. And so we're just going to be adding my stick and the one that I use all the time under my eye, my nose, chin, right here, and then my forehead. We'll be right back. By the way, it should look like this. Okay? It looks a little weird, but it looks better when it gets blended out. And also, I'm going to do the same exact eyebrow stuff I use, so I probably don't think you guys want to see what I'm doing for my eyebrows because that's really boring. And so like if you guys don't remember, I just use this. There's like none of this, so I don't really use that. I try, but it's going really low because I do my makeup a lot, sadly. But yep, we're gonna do my eyebrows and we'll be right back again. So we just did my beautiful eyebrows, and now it's time for our palette. And guess what? I've not got a new palette. Still with my bright palette because we live in her. Yeah. Totally. I'm sorry if this video is really weird and I don't know why it is. It's because, well, actually I do know why, but just act like you don't know why. Anyway, so the first color is, we're going to be using, nope, wrong color, blue. So we're going to be using this, nope, wrong color. We're going to be using Splash first. We're going to add top of it Paradise. Okay? It's a weird way to do it, but we are doing it that way because it worked last time. So, yeah. And we're just going to put on my crease. That. And we're just going to do off camera because you've already heard me talk a lot, so. Now it's time to add the Paradise, so we're just going to dab it on. And we'll be right back. Like I said a million trillion times. Now for the best part, not really best part, but now we're going to be using green. And the first thing we did was, I don't really know, but we added, how do I do this? Let's just add Granny Smith, not Granny Smith, Frosted Lime, and see if that, yeah, we're gonna add on top of, no, I'm sorry. We're gonna be using Granny Smith first, and just right next to the blue. Not blended with it, not at all. By the way, it should look a bit like this, okay? Like it's kind of blended, but I didn't mean to, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna do it together, because you guys might want to know how to do it. So we're gonna get Granny Smith, not, right? Yes. And just dab it right next to it, but not blending with it. And just like, put it on your lid, okay? On your lid. Boom, 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 boom. I also like doing it together because it helps me what way, like, how I should do it, if that makes sense. And now we're just gonna add with Granny Smith, so we're gonna get Granny Smith and then dip it into, oh yes, then Labyrinth. It's right next to Granny Smith, so yeah. Also, that's when you start blending, but don't like get the colors and dip it right into the middle, like do inside, cover the green, and then like with the excess on the brush, just blend it. Okay? Okay. So all I'm gonna say is I kind of ruined it by trying to make a shape, but it's gonna. We'll find a way to fix it, okay? So we're just going to try and make this shape again, but like a different shape. So not make a shape again. Anyway, it's off that topic. We're going to get the same colors and just put it on my lid. Okay? Done. I kinda did it. I don't care if it's good enough. Now I have to do the blue. And so we're going to just, I don't know. We're gonna blend it. What's under there? Perfect. Done. Now it's time for contour. Help. Yeah. And by the way, I'm sorry if, oh my god, that's horrible. Anyway, sorry if you guys didn't see like anything, but, oh shoot, I forgot. Mascara. Got my curler. Because my eyebrows have, not eyebrows, my eyelashes have been very weird lately. Hey, this one's longer, my god. Guys, this one is longer than this one. Okay, my eyes are, it looks like I'm crying. I'm sorry, and why am I starting to get watery eyes? Make it stop. I'll be back, and I'm going to do my eyelashes and not make my eyes watery. Yeah. Well, I guess I could just on camera. Okay. So just my eyelashes. Okay, okay, that does not look, that looks fine. But when I didn't do the eyelash color, like a week, like not, oh yeah, a week ago, like my eyelashes were like hecka long, my dude. Like, why am I saying my dude? Turning to my sister, which is fine, I don't care, but like, she's weird. I think my whole family is weird, but what am I saying? Okay, so you saw me when I'm just gonna do that in this eye. And now we're gonna do on this eye. Okay? K. I say K a lot. Why does my makeup look like this? Like I'm a like skeleton or something. I don't know, it reminds me of a skeleton. Probably because something is a skeleton. No, I'm a skeleton. Duh. I'm sorry, I take way too long to like realize what I'm saying. I just like blur it out of my mouth. And so we're just gonna blend like this direction, and then up like that, then up. I did a little too much. We didn't fix that. I just realized I had my light thing, and it was pointing directly at me, and I forgot that I could plug it in and have more light. This girl, is this my cheekbone, or is that just like really bad blending? I should get the light. Like, it looks like, I think it's just a light. Like, see, like, I see it. Like, yeah, next thing, blush. So we're going to dip into my favorite color, because that's the only one I like, because it's really light. And all of my other ones are just really dark, and we don't like that. Natural. Even though this look is not natural. Okay. Definitely is not natural at all. I like it. Pink nose. I like doing my nose. I don't know. I look like a pumpkin. Wrong word. I look like Rudolph. I was gonna say clown, but that just sounds mean to myself, and I don't want to be mean to myself, so we're not saying that. But we're going to get my highlighter and put on my cheeks, because that's where you put your highlighter, and then also my nose. And also, right here, where my eyelid, yeah. I don't even know if you guys really notice I have highlighter there. What the? I don't know what I'm doing. But the next thing is lips. Yeah, I forgot that I'd get something. So we got my lip liner. We're just gonna put on my top lip, my bottom lip, and then we're going to use my Color Workshop matte lipstick. This color. All the colors look the same. I'm not kidding. They all really do. By the way, I like just doing like this. And also, this is also from Color Workshop. Okay. So we just added the lip. Yeah, we just added that lipstick. And now we're gonna put this one right in the middle. Wait. Blend. Done. Last thing. Yeah, the last thing is my Pro Base Fixing Spray. Oh, it's gonna not go well. I'm scared. Is that good enough? I'm doing this. I'm sorry. We're gonna take off my clips and show you the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm very sorry this video is horrible. Okay, I'm sorry. But I really do like this, and so thank you, my best friend. Thank you for doing this. It really looks good. But anyway, subscribe. Just turn on those notifications. Like. Share this video. Please don't. And goodbye. Maybe wave. Bye.